Hello everyone, my name is Raj Sharma. In this video, I'm going to explain the Kolkata rape case and going to answer two questions. So let's begin.
Sanjay Roy's
Volunteer Sanjay Roy
Uh, on 9 August 2024, a tragic incident happened in Kolkata, which unfolded at RGKar College and Hospital in Kolkata, which happened to the Momita Devet, a 31-year-old postgraduate training doctor pursuing her last year the PhD and last talked to her parents at 11:33 p.m. and that night, and she went with her friends to watch the live match of Neeraj Chopra. After that, she moved ahead towards the seminar hall for sleeping. Then she write her diary and slept. And around 2:55 or 3 p.m. a.m., Sanjay Roy come to the hospital, and one of his friend he booked a bed for him and crossed the boundary of the hospital and start drinking. They drink that much that they cannot drive. But then also Sanjay Roy moved with his friend and drive to it to a red zone area. Then his friend gone to a house, and then afterwards Sanjay Roy again come back to the hospital. Then because of he was a civil servant civic servant officer, uh, he entered the hospital without any questions. So after entering, he start moving to every room for finding a girl to do this crime. So then he went to the third floor and found Mawita on the seminar hall. Then the victim survived for 45 minutes. Then afterwards, he come back to his room and slept away. In morning, one of his friends found the Mawita in semi condition and called the staff members. When the police came in the hospital, they found a neckband near the body. When they see the CCTV camera, they found that Sanjay was doing all this crime. So when they put the neckband and come near Sanjay Roy mobile phone, that connected immediately. So this was proof that he was criminal. So let's answer these questions. The first question is,
What is the mindset of rapist?
so the answer of this question is a bit complicated, but let me explain it in short. So the mindset of the rapists are like they think themselves as superior than to the woman. They thought the women are inferior and they have right over them. But this is totally wrong. And the psychology of these rapists are that they think women as they are a box of sweet. If we kept it open, ants will attack it. So the mindset, this mindset emerging to the rapist is from these following reasons. So the first thing is lack of empathy, second is inadequate, third is bad surrounding, and fourth is watching pornographic content. So there is a chart in my video at the ending. So that's why you should stay away and wait till end. So coming to the topic, what is mean by lack of empathy? Lack of empathy means focus in one's desire and gratifications and fulfilling it without thinking of the other's emotion, thoughts and other. And inadequate. These people are totally inadequate, and some of the times they do not have their parents who can teach them manners and other things. So how the rapists get power of these thoughts? Because of watching pornographic content. This totally changed their mindset towards girls, females and peoples who are walking on the streets and coming in their mind. So let's answer the second question.
How can we stop rape cases?
So as I give the earlier example of a box of sweet, so how can we protect them? So the answer is, if we kept that box of sweet in a bottle containing plate, the ants will not attack. As we have listened, the ant will not go in the water. And by this, why I'm giving this example? Because the girls are the sweet, okay, and the water is self-defense. Parents teach a lot to their children for pursuing a lot big career in their life, but they do not train them a little self-defense like judo, karate, and other. Like this document, government have established about giving training to the girls in their schools, colleges. Yes, this should right. We should give training to girls and women in their college and in their social life also. By this, we can help them in doing their self-defense. So, moving ahead with our topic is we should make some group. For example, who are these rapists? They are only the rag pickers, rickshaw pullers, bodyguards, and people working at night on the streets or other places. So, how can we teach little bit manner that they can respect women? So, by making a group of people, and collecting all of these people and teaching some of adequate manner them to respect women. And nowadays everybody have a mobile phone, so we can run ads, reels, and short clips with, as told you that I will show some graph and research made by me. So in India, a large people of group and other are watching porn. It is about 83% of people are day-to-day life watching porn. It is a large number, and the rest over thing is watched by education, entertainment, and YouTube, etc., etc. So, how can we stop this thing? By simply, I have done a project in my earlier standard, which is we have made a link in which anybody will click on it, his account or her account will immediately hacked, and location and photo of him or her will be clicked. So, I'm really shocked about the feminist group. Can you tell me why? Because of this reason. They are thinking of females or women's life, their inclusions in their role in trade union, their family, others. And also, feminist group are doing inclusions and perspective of men's thinking, re-perspecting their men's thinking, and also helping to build a good mindset. So, when they will aware, what are they doing? Is it stopped now? As you know, Sanjay Roy is a civic servant working in the Archikar College, but how he get that job? Because the government says that they do not accept any people who has criminal background. As per the Sanjay Roy, yes, he have lots of criminal background and lots of bad thinking in history. How could he be a civic servant in the college? And also, a thing is the woman should keep safety or self-defense gadgets with them, like the safety rod, means self-defense rod, pepper spray, and shotgun. By this, they can immediately give a shock to the people or can have a time to run away from the condition. And by this, I have completed my video. So thank you for watching and listening it carefully. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe, and not forget to comment. Thank you.